everyone, welcome to the new video. So today we will discuss the most important commands of Git that are going to be asked in interview. So yeah, let's go. Some very important commands for Git that you should know, and also only these, like most of the questions that are asked in interviews regarding Gits are mostly around this. So basically, what is Git init? It will create, whenever you will run this command, it will create three area: working area, staging area, local repo. Git status, it will tell the status of the file, that whether it is in working area, whether it has been committed. Then git add dot, it will add all the files from working area to staging area. Git add file name to, it will only add these mentioned file names from working area to staging area. Git add asterisk dot sh, so it will add all the file with the extension dot sh from working area to staging area. Git commit, it moves file from staging area to local repo. Git commit -m, then the commit message. So it is like adding the commit messages while committing. So git config -global user.name. So whenever we are mapping the remote repository, then we have to give the credentials so that whenever we are pushing the code and pulling it, so using these credentials only, the work can be done. So for that, we require name and email. If we have to commit specific file, then we have to follow this command. Then what is git? So whenever we are mapping any remote repository, we have to give the alias name. Alias name is some short form, like any short form of whatever the repository you are going to map. The short form which what you will be using. Okay, so you have to give the short form over here. And again, while running the commands, whenever you will be doing push anything, pull, you have to use this short name only. Then git remote -v, so it will show all the mapped repos, like what is the short name and what like the short name and what are the remote repository mapped. Then git push alias name master, whatever the branch name you want to push, you have to give the branch name over there. If you have to check the logs and specific, if you have to just check the logs and git log, to check only the last two commit IDs log, then git log -2. So this you can do. Then git show commit ID, you have to mention the commit ID over here to display the file names committed in this commit ID. Git reset to get back file from staging area to working area. Git revert to revert changes of last commit in your local repo. Git pull alias name master to pull changes in working area. Git clean to clean the files which are newly created in working area. Git branch name, whenever, because we will have to create the branches like master, um, development, or whatever in regarding to your environment or your whatever it is. Then you have to create the branch name using this command. If you have to switch to that branch, you have to do git checkout to list down all the branches. Git branch -a. This is a command to get to merge changes of the mentioned branch to branch where you're currently. So git merge branch name, git difference branch name to check the differences in both the branches that you are going to commit and which you are currently. Then git push alias name, I have to push files of all the branches to remote repo. Then this is for tags, if you want to generate a tag. Then git push alias name tag name. So basically tag is when you are doing production deployment, then you can use tags, so they are final build. So git stash, this is something when you are you have done some changes but some issue comes, then you have to drop those changes, you can do git stash, and then after that you can apply those changes afterwards. Git cherry pick commit ID to merge particular commit ID. Git fetch alias and to fetch changes in local repo. So it is mostly that what is the difference between git fetch and git pull. So pull pull the changes in working area directly, but it fetch the changes in local repository only, not in working area. Git clone to fetch files of a very new code, and git rebase branch name, it is basically used if we want that we need only detailed info of all the commit that we have done. It doesn't merges the commit, so we have detailed info of every commit, that in which commit id we have performed what action. So basically the differences that are asked is between git pull and git fetch. um, what is git cherry pick commit id, like cherry pick command. So yeah, you should know all the difference, what is the difference between git rebase and git merge, that you should know. So yeah, that's all for today's video. It's like a cheat sheet that you can use for revising one day before your interview. So yeah, I think it is useful for everyone. So that's all. Bye, take care.